Working on a 2012 Chevy Impala. The customer brought it in with a bad blower motor. Checking the blower motor. Give you a good view here. What we'll do is we'll check the ground resistance from the resistor. I've got a wire hooked to the positive side of the battery. And it's run in here. I have a test light hooked to it that has a meter on it. And what you do is, we got this in here. As you can see, it's 7 volts. As you adjust this here, it controls the ground signal. It lowers it. That's a signal coming from the resistor. When you cut it all the way off, the switch off, there's no signal. You cut it all the way to high, and you have 12 volts. So that tells you that you're getting a good signal from the resistor. The next thing we want to check is the positive signal. So I'll move my test light to a good ground and we'll check the positive signal. And as you can see, it's 12 volts. The blower motor is held on with 3 bolts. The bolt size is 5.5 millimeter. Once you remove the 3 screws, the blower motor will come right down. Remove the 3 screws, the blower motor comes right down. We just received our blower motor for the 2012 Chevy Impala. That's the part number for it. That's the new blower motor. And to install it, it's just a reverse procedure. Install the new iron harness. Tug it back up. And we'll check it. And there you have it. New blower motor. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel below for more upcoming videos.